Hi, Lorie Burch here, your go-to wills and trusts attorney, here to answer a frequently asked question. What the heck is a trust and why do I need one? Well, there are many types of trusts, but they boil down to two main types: a testamentary trust and a living trust. A testamentary trust is a trust that doesn't get set up until you pass away. A living trust is, well, a trust you set up while you're alive. The most common type of testamentary trust is one for young children. So if you're a parent and you want to make sure that if you pass away, that your assets and money would go to your kids, but they're underage, then you would say it could go into a trust, and then you designate a trustee that will make sure that the money and assets are used for their well-being until they reach an age that you pick where you think they might be responsible enough to handle it. So if you have young kids, or perhaps kids that aren't quite ready to handle money, you may want to consider a testamentary trust, which can be set up through a will or through a living trust. Now, as for living trusts, one of the most common examples is a revocable living trust. Now, I know that that sounds super fancy, but trust me, you don't need to have a top hat and a monocle, because this is not something that's just for the super wealthy. Even if you're just a real person doing real life with a home or a bank account, this may be a really good planning tool for you and your family, because it can help prevent a time-consuming and expensive probate process when you pass away. Because yes, a will does still have to go through probate court, whereas a living trust does not. However, living trusts do take a little bit more expense and a little bit more time up front, which has an amazing return on investment, but it's a commitment that you need to make and decide with your attorney if that is the best planning tool for you. If you didn't know, now you know, but knowledge is nothing without power. We can help. Contact us today. And remember, if you don't have a will, the state of Texas has one for you.